Actually, you can also boost any ad or create an ad from your Instagram directly. Yes, most people always get that prompt, but they don't really get it from A to Z. So what you would do is that I would advise you initially that ahead of time, any ad you want to boost, you can't just boost any ad anyhow. There are copyright issues to ads. So for instance, for some of my music, for some of my posts here, we have music attached to them. That's music attached to them. You can't boost ad like this. You can't boost ad like this. It's not possible because those music you have to pay. Except people pay to the owner. So videos or maybe for like videos that those audio came with the ads. The audio came with the video directly. So you have to be careful with whatever. In fact, even Facebook won't allow you. So what you do is that, for instance, I want to boost this ad. I want to boost it. So it won't allow me. It won't allow me. So what you do is boost other content. Or ahead of time, you make sure you don't upload that post with Instagram feature. So let me see if I can boost an ad. I don't have music. This doesn't have music.
Calm down.
It has music, but it came with, as in I uploaded it together as a video. Do you understand? I'm not using Instagram music actually. So let me look for a better one. Let me look for a better one. Which one can I use? Sorry, I'm coming. Okay, let's look at this. Then I click on next. Click on next. It's loading. It's loading. What is my target? Did I want people to visit my profile or visit my website or message me? It's Instagram. So obviously I want people to message me, not just visit my profile. Except if I'm going for an awareness targeted ad, that's the can click on visit my profile. So I click on message me. So the goal is to send message. If you like, you can add your WhatsApp business to it, but I don't do that. So you come here, send message, or you can click on contact us, whatever you like. Order now. Maybe you want to sell a book or some whatever item. So click on save, click on next. There to choose your audience. I always tell my client to choose, especially if your audience, your followers, your existing followers before are people that they always patronize or engage your content. You can click on target people like your followers. Those of you that like to use both as followers, all those white account that will following you, this thing will mess up with your ad results. So maybe you remove all of them for a setup stuff like that. But if you're starting from scratch, you can create your own target audience. You can create your own target audience. Let's say, let me look at test, Insta, location. You can't just say that not everybody will buy your product everywhere, except you're a big business owner. That maybe you are going for a business, or you are opening a business for the first time. I want everybody in Nigeria to know. But most of the time, being realistic, your business is confined to a particular location. So let's say I'm choosing Lagos. Even if it's Lagos, I can just say I want to choose a particular. I can say let me choose Ikeja, Nigeria, in Lagos. Look at this now. In fact, although that audience is very very small, so what I'll do, let me just choose Lagos, Nigeria. That's okay. Lagos, Nigeria is okay. That's a perfect audience. So for some of you that want people around, you can also choose a plot. That will be too small. Then you should know who are your target audience. Are they male? Maybe you are selling female sex toys. Definitely, you won't choose male and female. Except if you want maybe guys who won't buy for their girlfriend, whatever. Or you are choosing a football content. That content mostly might not be advisable to put female there. It won't be advisable because most female don't watch football, though that's a stereotype. People watch football nowadays, but let's say from male, being realistic. But let's say both of them. Choose both of them. Then you can choose their interest. What did they do? Okay. For instance, they watch football, they love football. Football. Can pick football. Let's say business owners. Business owners. No. Let me choose admin of all these Facebook pages. admin. Let me see. Let me choose something like this. Now you can also click on targeting expansion so that a Meta algorithm will be able to expand your ad to more people that are likely to see your ads. So this is to improve performance. You can click on, let's say, okay. That's for those who are just setting up their ad from the first time from scratch. So that's it. But what may I do punctually is to suggest target people like my followers. Special category: if you are creating an ad based on employment, properties, or credits, please make sure you put this, or else you might run into issues with Meta. So click on next. What's the budget? We can fix whatever budget. If you're an Odogu, a big company, you can pick, let's say, 3 million whatsoever every day. If you're a small business owner, you do according to your budget. Be a simple man by nature, Oliver the Cook. So you choose whatever your budget pick can carry. So you either you set this ad until you can pause it, or you set the duration. So I can set it for like 4 days or 5 days, 5 days minimum for it to be effective. So I'll be spending about 16,740 for that 5 days. Click on next. Everything look good. So what you do, I have I have money in my ad account before. That's why I always advise you guys to have Meta businesses or Meta ad manager wherever you can fund your ad. But for you that you don't have any money there before, what you have to do is to add funds. So you add fund, just choose any MasterCard. Actually, most people that have my audience on this post will be Nigerians. So at least any Nigerian bank that have MasterCard, you can use it. I don't think Valve will work. So MasterCard, any card that is Master, use it. But I already have my balance already, so I don't need to pay. So this is what I'll do. And I click on boost posts. I'm not sure this money will go because it's too low. I know it will ask me. So what I'll do, let me just pick my budget again. Let me review my budget. The budget is too small. Okay, for 2 days, total spend. Okay, it's supposed to be okay. So I reduced my budget 3,348 daily for 3 days. That means I'll spend 10,000 for over 3 days. Then click on boost posts. So my ad is in review. I can check it and status and ad tools. You can check it. Just go to your business suite or ads manager. Let's say business suite. I always recommend business suite for business owners. You guys, most of you do not really have the anger about this ads manager because it's a bit technical, but business suite is more friendly. So yeah, this one is going to show all your ads. So you see, it's in review. But actually, this is just for it's for YouTube purpose. So I don't have any intention to push that hard. I'm going to delete it anytime soon. So that's it for setting up this kind of ad. So it's as easy as ABC. So now for Meta Ads Manager. This is Meta Ads Manager. This is what you do. Meta Ads Manager. Here is my campaign that I've set in the past. This is the one I did recently, but let me delete it because I don't need it. Then go to settings, billing and payments. If you want to add fund from your account, you can go to add funds. See, add funds. So it's either you choose your master. I already have my card already, so you can either you make it automatic, but please, well, it depends. But to be honest, I don't make your payment automatic. Just fund your account once and remove it anytime you want to. You put your credit card account, so you can click on Naira payment with MasterCard, always MasterCard or Visa if you have. Click on next. So it's loading. It will open a browser and prompt you to put in all your login details. To those login details, as long as they are correct, you can be able to fund your ad until you get successfully funded. So that is how you run it. Click on continue. It's loading. So you can put in your details. Of course, I can't do that here. Or you want to hack my account, can't do that here. So subscribe to my channel, and if you are not okay with this, you can check out how to fund any ad with my with Meta Ads Manager on a desktop. That's on a computer, because this is the mobile version. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.